My name is Michael Lester. I went to Rice University down in Houston, Texas, but came back to Kansas City for law school. That's where I grew up and where my family is. I went to UMKC and spent about 8 years being a defense attorney, various places around Kansas City, and then came to the firm about 3 years ago. And I've been here ever since. I'm one of the litigation attorneys here. That means I go to court, try cases, get in front of a jury, get in front of a judge, and kind of take people's cases across the finish line. Right now, we've got a growing family, so I've got 2 kids at home. A lot of what I'm doing is hanging out with them, taking them to their activities. You know, we spent basically this entire summer at the pool almost every day as it gets, especially when it's above 90. My wife and I love music. We're going to concerts, play a lot of board games, and then just seeing friends and hanging out. When I was 3, my parents told me that I liked to argue so much I should be an attorney, and I basically stuck with that. So it's just the being in a competition every day, having people on the other side trying to stop you from getting what you think your client needs. I think it adds a lot of excitement to life. It's a good field for me. My Cousin Vinny is, I think, the classic, but also just watching Joe Pesci make his way through it. It reminds me a lot of my first trial, and so it's fun, it remains funny, and it's some of the best and most realistic lawyering. Usually the TV shows don't get it quite that right. I represented a wonderful client whose life had been ruined in a zipline accident. The emergency brakes had failed, the actual brakes had failed, and the triple secured brakes had failed, and she crashed into a pole at the bottom of a zip line. The ziplining company said they had no liability, no fault at all, because she had signed a release saying that she wouldn't sue if she got rug burns or pinched. So I was fighting with them over the entire course of that for a wonderful client who ended up having about 17 different surgeries to try to, get back on her feet and get back to her life, and we ended up getting a really good result that we were really proud of and she was really happy with. Clients should hire D. Pasquale more because ultimately we have a lot of resources that other law firms don't have. We're willing to take basically every case and see what we can do with it. And then once you get with a person and a team, they're going to see it all the way through to the end of the case. They're going to put in the time and effort, energy, and resources to get you the best result possible.